This is one turkey being cooked. Jim's got the other one down there. This is the turkey for the heel.
Got the potatoes boiling down here. This will be for the mashed potatoes, and this back here will be for the potato salad. Got the cornbread all broke up, and the rest of the cornbread's in the oven. That is going to be for the dressing, and a little bit of it going to go into the giblet gravy. And that's about all we got done so far down here, at least. Haven't even started the turkey yet or anything, because I was wanting to do this first for a little stuffing for the turkey. Now I'm going to bring him this camera back up here. It's about 30 degrees outside, freezing my butt off. He can have this camera up here recording this subpar cooking while I'm doing the professional cooking down there, where it all tastes better.
So far.
Alright.
So far. You see, it's almost, it takes about another hour. Because he's getting there. But I'm going to leave him out and do the bread for the dressing and all now.
We down here at Crowley's. Got to return movie. Kathy come down to cook her turkey because the stove up there is messed up. They killed it. Jim's fixing something down there. I don't know what. It's 27 degrees, and we're sitting here discussing our next barbecue stew cookout.
Hardcore.
All top secret. One bird done. Don't look brown enough to me, but I say it's done.
Huh? Groovy.